Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel Electromobility Hub to One. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the challenges in the electric vehicle industry supply chain. Over the years, the electric vehicle market has seen incredible growth, thanks to sustainability, climate change awareness, and the cost-saving benefits of technology. Challenge 1. Finding new suppliers. With the shift from traditional gas cars to electric vehicles, it's crucial to find new suppliers. The parts used in electric vehicles, like the body, drivetrain, and electrical systems, are different from those in traditional cars. So, car manufacturers need to carefully pick new suppliers to meet their specific needs. Challenge 2. Making manufacturing decisions. Companies, both big and small, face a big decision when they enter the electric vehicle market. Startups need to decide whether they should build their own factories or partner with existing manufacturers. Established giants must decide whether to convert their factories from making traditional cars to electric vehicles. Some are even considering a mix of both to increase production capacity quickly. Challenge 3. Changing supplier relationships. Traditional carmakers have established relationships with suppliers, but newcomers may need to rethink how they work with their suppliers. Instead of following the old ways, startups can come up with fresh approaches to ensure smooth interactions with their suppliers. Established car companies can also benefit from more innovative approaches in the electric vehicle supply chain. Challenge 4. Handling regional manufacturing. Electric vehicle batteries have three main components: cells, modules, and packs. Cell manufacturing is mainly done in Asia due to cost savings and proximity to key electric vehicle markets. It's ideal to have local production from cells to packs, but making this happen is a challenge. Companies, both big and small, must figure out cost-effective ways to get these components where they're needed. Challenge 5. Ensuring a steady supply of materials. Certain materials, like conflict minerals such as cobalt, are essential for electric vehicle production but can be tricky to obtain. Technologies like blockchain can help make the sourcing process more transparent. Creative strategies, such as take-or-pay agreements, can help mitigate supply disruptions. These agreements mean that buyers commit to purchasing a certain amount of materials at a lower price and assume the risk if they can't meet their commitment. Challenge 6. Overcoming geographical challenges. The components for lithium-ion batteries are concentrated in regions like Africa and China. Political instability in these areas can disrupt the supply chain, leading to higher costs. To manage this, companies are exploring options closer to home to reduce risks and transportation costs. Challenge 7. Finding new power sources. Lithium-ion batteries are the go-to choice for electric vehicles, but they present long-term challenges. Companies need to come up with alternatives that are just as good in terms of performance and cost-effective. This might involve developing solid-state batteries or exploring other options. Challenge 8. Prioritizing eco-friendly practices. While electric vehicles are known for their environmental benefits, there are also challenges when it comes to recycling their batteries. To maintain their green image, both established companies and newcomers must focus on safe and automated battery recycling. To sum it up, the electric vehicle market is booming, driven by sustainability, climate awareness, and technology. But there are significant challenges in the supply chain that need to be addressed. It's essential for both big car manufacturers and startups to navigate supplier partnerships, make wise manufacturing choices, and source materials efficiently, all while maintaining a focus on sustainability. As the electric vehicle market evolves, their ability to tackle these challenges will be critical for their long-term success. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable content like this. Thanks for tuning in.